Deanna Troy travels here in Takeshita Street. Takeshita Street. This is the most popular street in Harajuku, Tokyo, Japan, and I'm with Nadine.
Hey!
From Nadine in Japan, that's her YouTube channel. Nadine has lived here for 3 years and she's a local and she speaks Japanese and she's gonna show us some Harajuku foods and Harajuku secrets.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun.
Woo! We're doing this in 2 parts, so one of the parts will be on my video and one of the parts will be on Nadine's video. So when you are all done watching this, then go over to her channel and subscribe to her channel. I'll link everything for her down below. Woo! So let's go!
Yeah!
Alright, we are in line. It's so beautiful in here. Look at all those pretty bubbles. So much cotton candy. And we're getting the big massive one that's rainbow. And it's 900 yen. And how much exactly is 900 yen?
About $9.
Okay, so about $9. And it's really big, so you can split it with somebody. So that's what we're doing. Oh my god, look at this thing. It's way bigger than our heads.
Alright.
Oh my god, we can't even get out of here. It's like the whole size of this room. I'm losing Nadine.
Like there's literally a sign that says, please be careful not to hit other customers with your cotton candy.
We have the huge, big, famous cotton candy. Beautiful. This gorgeous cone of just like all rainbow, purple to pink. Beautiful, amazing. And we are going to eat it now. Okay,
Ready?
1, 2, 3. Now we're gonna have some famous Harajuku crepes right here. Ooh, there's all kinds of things inside them, I heard.
So many different things. Like you can get like crepes with cake inside them, like cheesecake, like cream or fruit or ice cream or like so many different things.
So we're gonna go explore and have the best crepes in town. Yes! Oh, thank you. Ooh, beautiful. Ooh. All right, we just got our crepes. We're about to take our first bite of the famous Harajuku crepes. Yay! Oh.
What does it taste like?
Delicious. Chocolate.
Delicious. Chocolate.
Chocolate
What flavor is yours?
Double chocolate banana cream.
Mine is double chocolate strawberry cream.
Ooh.
And you have it all in your face.
Oh my god, I'm such a messy eater. Like. So now we are going to go to our secret of the day. It is a shop called. So you would think it's for kids, but it's actually. Are you ready for the secret? The mystery shop is called Kiddyland. And as I said, not just for kids, this store has every kind of Japanese character and worldwide favorite cartoon and hero products that will delight all ages, even Star Wars. It's a completely tax-free store in Harajuku that's perfect to get your kawaii souvenirs. With 4 floors of fun, this store really has something for everyone and is a blast to look through. Nadine and I must have spent at least an hour in here. Want to see more of this Harajuku superstore? Then subscribe, like this video, and let me know in the comments because I'll be posting a full-length Kiddyland tour video soon. When it comes out, I'll put it as a card in this video here, and I'll link it in the description. Also, if you want to learn even more Harajuku secrets and tips, then make sure to watch the part 2 of this video on Nadine in Japan's channel. That's on the screen right now. One last tip before you go, make sure to charge your phone or camera because there are tons of photo ops here. Follow me on Instagram to see more Harajuku pics, and subscribe for more Harajuku videos coming out every week this spring. Thanks so much, guys. I'll see you next time on Deanna Troy Travels.